What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series with a very interesting spray out. What I've got here today, guys, is Canyon Black and Satin White Rustoleum. I got a fender prepped up behind me. We're going to be two-toning it with these two colors, but usually we shoot candies, pearls, flakes, a little bit of everything over top, but today we are really shooting everything over top. I've got remnants of all of the HyperShift pearls from where I did all the spray outs last year or earlier this year of all these different hyper pearls that iCandy offers. And you know what? I thought, man, what would happen if we took all the remnants and mixed them all together in one pot and did an ultimate color shoot over white and over black? So that's what the experiment is today. What would this look like? I have no idea. Will it turn to absolute mush? I don't know. But I figured it'd be a fun project for today, something way outside the box that I haven't seen anybody else do. And yeah, will we create the ultimate HyperShift pearl with all these other pearls? Let's find out by two-toning this fender behind me, and then we'll get into today's spray out. Alright guys, we got our white and black bases laid down, and I'm sure you guys are probably wondering, how is he going to try and pull this off? Well, like I said, I got remnants of all these different HyperShift pearl bags, Ultrashift pearls, and it's just, man, I didn't know what else to do with them, so I figured might as well use them for a spray out, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be shooting this and finish one clear today, but before we do all that, we got to see if we got enough pearls. So as always, I'm going to bring you guys in close, and we're going to put these bags into this mix and see how much pearl we got and what does it look like when you combine all these Ultrashifts. Alright guys, so about 20 minutes later and a lot of bags later, this is what we have accumulated into this cup. An absolute craziness of HyperShift pearls. So, alright, first off, let me get set up and we'll mix this up and see what kind of funky color we come up with. Alright, so after mixing everything into the cup, this is what we're left with. A hodgepodge of pearls. I mean, look at that. It is all kinds of different pearls, guys. So, very rainbowish. Now, the fun part. Let's add some Finish One Clear into this. And let's see what kind of color we start to get. I think we might have reached maybe, I don't know, maybe three grams of pearls. So, this is going to be fun. I'm going to add some of this Finish One Clear today. This is the FC720. A really good high solids urethane clear. And we're going to do about 4 ounces into the mix. I don't want to go too crazy. We'll do 4 ounces of clear. And I'm going to do 1 ounce of slow activator. And let's see what kind of color we get. Alright. So we got our clear in the mix. And look at that. So let's mix this up and let's see what it does. And I'm going to try to get it all off the sides of the cup best I can. And we're just going to create a really crazy color because, why? This is Whitley Auto Works. We're all the time doing something crazy, guys. So that is the insane color we've come up with. Very much a, I don't even know. It's a hodgepodge, man. I'm seeing color shiftings, the violets, the silvers, to a little bit of everything, guys. So this is going to be interesting. Well, there's only one thing to do. Load up the paint gun and let's get spraying. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun loaded up with this Ultra Hyper Shift Pearl of a mix. 6 ounces of clear total in this today. Try to keep this shaking up good because I don't know what color it's going to make. It's a 1.4 tip on an HVLP gun. I shoot at 28 PSI, wide per trigger if you want to replicate my settings. We're going to do just consistent coats on this till we get a really good effect. What that effect will be, I have no idea. But as always guys, probably 2 or 3 coats. We'll take it out in the sun and we'll see what we got. We'll put the mask on. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, these are the results for today. We mixed every Hyper Shift, Ultra Shift that eye candy makes, and look at that prismatic, man. It shifts to all kinds of different colors depending on what light hits it over the black, guys. And over the white, you got a rainbow pearl look, but keep in mind, these are all solid pearls, guys. So when you shoot solid pearls over a white or a light color, you will get a very muddy look. Overall, pretty cool, pretty interesting, but it ain't up to me, guys. What do you think? Wow. Well, we had a very interesting experiment today, guys. I took remnant bags of different Ultra Shifts from eye candy pigments, little bits and pieces I had from each bag. I put them all together and I created a very prismatic looking pearl paint job over top of satin black and satin white. Now, were these the results I expected? Kind of, sort of. I mean, when you're mixing that many different color shift variations, you're bound to end up with some sort of prismatic effect. They do make prismatic pearls or holographic pearls with eye candy. So if you wanted to achieve this result for much less than going out and buying a bunch of sample bags, I'll include a nice holographic pearl in the description as well. But as always, guys, rate it. Let me know what you thought of today's spray out. This was still very, very interesting. 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you want to spray with any of the eye candy products, I always have links down in my description and at checkout in our WAW shop. shop. While shop, you'll get a discount, and it goes to help out the channel. The fender swung clear, the mask, the paint gun I use is part of a set that you can get in my Amazon store. Just click the link below that says As Seen on YouTube, and it'll take you to my Amazon store. You can buy everything I use on the channel there for the same price I get it, and they will give me a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and it goes to help out the channel, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you like these crazy experiments, these what-if experiments I'm always doing, then definitely leave me a quick like and comment. Let me know what you thought. What crazy spray outs would you like to see next we haven't done on the channel? I've done over 160 plus spray outs, if you can believe it. And then we got different paint jobs, tutorials, a little bit of everything coming. The shop truck's coming back with a really cool paint job very, very soon, so you're not going to miss that. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell beside it. It'll notify you every time a new episode drops. I'm doing new episodes constantly, and you just never know what you're going to see next on Whitley Auto Works. And like I said, let me know what you thought in the comments. And I appreciate you guys for watching today. Hope you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.